chicken probably won't do, and then you have like this little like.
That would be
like,
funny.
Daddy? Yeah?
Put the chicken down and get it again. Put it down.
Put the chickie down and then go have him run off and go get him again.
Let it go.
Go get
Get it.
Go get it.
Cooper. Get it. Go in there.
Oh, she's down.
She's alright. Come on, go get the chickie. Cooper, come here. Good girl, you got the chick.
Yeah.
You got the chick. Oh, nice chick.
Show Donkey the chicken.
Let's put that chickie over the fence, shall we? Okay, come on. Good job.
Good job, Aubrey.
Get that chick.
Get the ball.
Get that chick. Good girl. What is that? A chick.
What is it, Aubrey? What is it, a chicken?
I like chicken.
She's got juice all over her lips.
Okay, let's put that chickie over the fence. Good job, Aubrey.